Do you still print documents just to sign them, scan them again, and send them back? Whether it's a business contract, agreement, invoice, application form, or official document, the traditional signing process is slow, inconvenient, and wastes valuable time. There's a faster and smarter solution. Introducing Softaken Sign PDF Online Free. Problem: many online PDF signing tools require software installation, account registration, or uploading confidential documents to remote servers. This raises privacy concerns and makes the signing process more complicated than it should be. Solution: Softaken Sign PDF Online Free lets you add your signature to PDF documents directly in your browser. No software installation. No registración. No technical skills required. Simply upload your PDF, insert your signature, place it exactly where you want, and download your signed document within seconds. Benefits of signing PDF online. Image signature. Add PNG or JPG signature easily. Files stay local. Your files never leave your device. Free signing. Sign PDFs at no cost. Last page or all pages. Sign one page or every page. Adjustable size. Resize your signature easily. Instant download. Get your signed PDF in seconds. No sign up. Start signing instantly. Desktop support. Supports digital certificates on the desktop version. How it works. Step 1. Upload PDF and signature. Upload your PDF and upload your signature image in PNG or JPG format. Step 2. Choose placement. Pick last page or all pages and adjust signature size. Step 3. Download signed PDF. Signature is placed locally. Save the finished document. If you're looking for a simple, secure, and professional way to sign PDF documents online, Softaken Sign PDF Online Free is an excellent choice. Try it today and sign your PDF files anytime, anywhere, in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.